It's the running Yaz!
Yeah! Oh shit!
Are you making those marks?
Yep. I left my mark on the planet.
Wow.
Is that a mark? We got skid marks?
Yeah, we've got skid marks galore. Look at that shit.
That is some primo stuff here on Vera Chimera cosplay page.
I think there's a way we can get you up there. You know?
I could hold her up there.
If you just have to lay down, right? And then she just...
I'll just sit down the bottom and then hold her feet.
You can sort of...
I'll just, yeah.
My feet have just, you know, been all over the city.
Ah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah?
Nah.
Wash your hands. Okay.
How do we do it?
I'll wash my hands before I touch my junk. This is the face of concern.
Go kill yourself right now.
Vera Chimera cosplay!